If you've been told your labs are normal, but you still don't feel like yourself, this video is for you. Maybe your energy has shifted, your weight has changed, even though nothing else has. Your sleep isn't what it used to be. Your mood feels different. Your body just feels different. And then you went to your doctor finally, and they told you everything looks fine. Well, I want to talk to you about why that happens, and more importantly, what it actually means for your health. Standard medical care is designed to screen for disease. That's what it's built for. But there is a significant gap between no disease detected and the body actually functioning optimally. Most lab panels, they look at a very narrow set of markers and compare them against a very wide reference range. And those ranges were designed to identify illness, but not to actually tell you how well your body is functioning. So when a woman in her 30s, 40s, or 50s walks in feeling exhausted, gaining weight, struggling with sleep, and feeling unlike herself, and her labs come back normal, she's just told everything is fine. But she knows something is off, and she's right. See, what standard care often misses is there's a deeper picture of how hormones, metabolism, inflammation, stress physiology, and even other patterns are interacting together beneath the surface. And that is where the real story is. My name is Dr. Shayna Peter. I'm a physician specializing in hormone health, metabolic optimization, and longevity medicine. And I've spent years working with women who came after being dismissed by standard care. Women who were doing a lot of the right things, eating well, exercising, managing stress, and still couldn't understand why their body wasn't responding. And what I have found consistently is that the answer almost always lies in patterns that standard care is just not designed to look for. So I approach hormone and metabolic health very differently. And instead of looking at individual markers in isolation, I look at how everything fits together, how your hormones are influencing your metabolism, how inflammation is affecting your energy, how stress physiology can be impacting your sleep and recovery. Because true optimization is rarely about one number, it's about understanding the full picture of how your body is functioning as a whole. The consultation that I'm offering is designed for a specific type of person. So, someone who is health conscious, already doing many of the right things, but still not feeling the way they want to feel. Someone who has a sense that something is off, even though they can't quite put their finger on it. Someone who's looking for a physician guided approach rather than trying to piece things together on their own with, advice from the internet, supplements, or one size fit all solutions. Um, and someone who is serious about understanding what is actually driving how they feel and how to take real steps to address it. So, if that is you, I would like to invite you to have a conversation. Now, I want to be very clear about what this consultation is and what it isn't. So, it's not a free evaluation or a free lab review or a treatment session. This is a focused conversation with our care team designed to understand what's been going on for you, what you've already tried, and determine the most appropriate next step based on your goals, your symptoms, and where you are in your health journey. Depending on where someone is in their journey, some may move forward with hormone optimization, GLP-1 medications, peptide therapies, metabolic support, um, advanced testing, or even comprehensive longevity evaluations and programs. And others may realize that they just may not be at the right point yet. And we'll even tell them that honestly. So the goal here is simply clarity, no pressure, no obligation, just an honest conversation about whether this approach is right for you. One thing that I've learned over the years is that these issues rarely improve simply by waiting. Those who tend to get the best outcomes are often those who become curious early, before small shifts in energy, metabolism, sleep, hormone balance become a much larger problem. So understanding what's happening doesn't obligate you to do anything, but it does give you information that you can use to make better decisions about your health moving forward. So if what I've shared resonates with you, the best next step is to go ahead and visit the link in the description below to learn more about how we work with patients and whether our approach might be the right fit for you. So if you found this helpful, go ahead and subscribe for more content on hormone health, metabolic optimization, longevity medicine, and I'll even be doing some skin health as well. So I share insights like this fairly regularly for those who want real answers about how their body is actually functioning and aging. See you next time.